Hello student, welcome to my next session of chapter 5 Moron Addition. Student, today I will help you to learn how to do the word problems. Student, in this first of all you have to read the word problem and understand that what they are actually want. So let's start the question. A potter made 25 pots in the morning. It means potter had made 25 in the morning. 25 pots are made by a potter. In the evening, he made 16 pots, and in evening he made 16 pots, 16 more pots. So how many pots did he made in all? In all means total number of pots made by a potter in a day. So for this we have to add the numbers. Student, in this type of question, this is a word problem, you have to add the statement also. So first of all, I just like this. This is very important. Whether you are doing a simple sum or a word problem, you have to make like this. Now after leaving this line, start making a statement. So pots made in morning. Pots made in the morning. In the morning. In the morning, what are the number of pots? Now student, now I am going to start one more topic, that is adding three numbers. Adding three numbers together. Three numbers. So I want to take one example, and all the numbers in this example are one digit number. So add 1 plus 8 plus 5. You have to add these numbers. So how can you add this number? Arrange the number in the column form 1. You can also start with the bigger number. Whatever the bigger number, let's start with this. 8, then 5 and then 1. Right student? So this is the ones place. Make one more column. Maybe the sum is more than 9. If the sum is more than 9, then we have to carry that number to the next place. 8 plus 5, count on your fingers. It is 13, and then plus 1 is become 14. So 14, again 4 is on ones place and this 1 is on tens place. So 4 is here, now 1 is there. Student, you can see here is no number. This is a blank because this is one digit number. So you can note down this 1 that is there as it is. So the sum is 14. Now my second example is, this time I want to take the numbers, all the numbers is of 2 digit. So let's start with 14 plus 23 plus 47, right? So what we have to do? First of all, tens and ones, this is very important. Now write the number in the column form. You can start with any number, either with 14 or with 23 and 47, but I prefer start with the bigger number. So the bigger number is 47, then 23 and then 14, right? Let's start adding from tens place. So 7 plus 3 plus 4, what is the sum here? The sum is 14. So this 14 is on ones place and carry this number on the tens. Write 4 here and 1 carry now on the tens place. Now start adding the tens number. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. What is the sum here student? 1 plus 4 5 plus 2 7 plus 1. So 8 is the answer. So the methods are same whether the number is a 3-digit number or a 4-digit number. You have to arrange all the numbers in column wise and start adding from the ones place. If the ones place is more than 9, here the ones place is 14. In both the example they are 14. They are greater than 9. When the ones place sum is greater than 9, then you have to regroup that number with the next place. Now student, I want to again take one more number. I have taken example of 1-digit number, 2-digit number. If we have a 3-digit number, so how can we solve? Now this time 3 numbers with 3 digit. So add, my numbers are 166, add 53, then add 171. adding three numbers, and in this question I have taken a 3-digit number. This is a ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, no problem. I have taken one number of 2-digit and the rest number of 3-digit. So I want to explain how to this question. Solution is there, student. This is one example. Let's do the solution. Again, ones, tens and 100. This time I have to extend my place values to 100. Why? Because I have a 3-digit number also. Leave one line. Student, as I already suggested, you have to start with the bigger number. So here I can easily see which one is bigger number, this and this. Yes, 171, right? 171 in the column form. Now second number, 166 and 53. This is a 2-digit number. Students, what you are doing, by mistake you start writing 53 here. This is wrong. This is totally wrong. What you have to do, students, you have to always start with the ones place, right? Start writing from the ones place. And here is no number, no problem, put the plus sign. Now let's start adding from the ones place. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. And this ones place is having 10. And this is greater than 9. So here 0 is on ones place. And this is carry to the tens place, 1 carry. So write 0 on the ones place. Now 1 carry is on tens place. Start adding these numbers. So tens place, what is having 10? 1 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. So now I am just writing to explain this. You can orally do this calculation. You can count on fingers and you can easily do. So 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. And 14 plus 9, what is the sum? 19. So again this is on the tens place and this is on the 100 place. Now 9 is on this number and 1 carry to the 100 place. Let's start adding the 100 place numbers. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and here no number, no need to write any number. So only we have 3 numbers and this is the sum. In this way you can add 3 numbers of 3-digit. The methods are same whether you are adding the one number, 1-digit number, or a 2-digit number, or a 3-digit number. In all the methods are same. Now student, this is now done. Adding 3 numbers. I have taken 2, 3, 4 examples just to explain this topic. That's all for the today's session. Now this chapter is over. I have explained the 2 methods: adding without grouping, with grouping, word problem, and adding 3 numbers. I hope you understand these topics and enjoy the session. Thank you, student. Stay home, stay healthy.